Night 1 in Classic Masters, David Miller and Gretchen Smith, Chad Guidry and Shelley James. You are so, so lucky to have such fabulous dancers in your own backyard. Good luck, y'all. And let's waltz.
I walked through that door yesterday. Oh my, rest my hand on her old rocking chair and just made me cry. And it took me back to that warm summer breeze. Take me back, right back home. And I would fall through camps on my hands and my knees just to find out where did I come from. I gotta know, where did I come from.
What do you think about that? Beautiful job, dancers. Next up is a skirt change. I'm just teasing. Night, and this is your music.
Pull the shades down on the sun. Don't wanna see the morning break to another day. I don't have the strength to face. Close the door and keep it shut. Lord, the sake is just too much for me to take. How do I begin to pray my way back to some kind of peace of mind? But then I hear love whispering in the darkest of times. You'll get through this. You'll break new ground. When you're lost within your weakness, hope is waiting to be found. You'll get through this, no matter what it takes.
Oh my, what a wonderful performance. This is fun, I tell you. Thanks, you guys. Triple two is the order of the day. Let's dance.
New Orleans lady, a sassy style that'll drive you crazy. this candle's burning, them Creole babies, thin and brown and downright amazing, and they roll just like a river. A little wave lasts forever.
Looking good. Wonderful job. Oh, you guys, this is great. And to think, all of these folks just right here homegrown. I tell you, you guys know how to grow good dancers down this way. One more dance in flight number 1. It is West Coast Swing. Let's dance.
We're gonna party, babe. We're gonna party all night long. Oh yeah. We're gonna party, babe. We're gonna party all night long. We're gonna party. We ain't never going home. When you see me coming, babe, you know that party's with me. You can follow me to the VIP. The party's jumping, baby. We're gonna party all night long. Oh yeah. We're gonna party. We ain't never going home. Alright. We're gonna party, baby. We're gonna party all night long. Oh yeah, we're gonna party, baby. We're gonna party all night long. We're gonna party. We ain't never going home. Everybody, get on the dance floor. If you don't want to dance.
How about a big hand for our Classic Masters at the conclusion of their first flight? Wow, you guys are awesome.